We're celebrating Peach Week in the Sandhills. Here's what's happening this weekend. The Peach Week Food and Drink competition begins on the 18th. Enjoy peachy food and drinks from 28 locations and vote for your favorite through July 28th. Learn more at homeofgolf.com/peachweek. On Friday and Saturday, join Foodie Tours for a Peach Week walking tour. Enjoy 4 delicious peach-themed stops, 2 alcoholic beverages, peach history, and trivia. Learn more and purchase tickets at foodietoursnc.com. On Friday at 7, come cheer on the Sandhills Bogeys. If a player hits a home run off the Peach Week sign, each attendee gets a coupon for a free popcorn sponsored by Carolina Cinemas. Purchase tickets at sandhillsbogeys.com. On Saturday, come out to Candor for the North Carolina Peach Festival. The parade starts at 10 and festivities start at 11. Enjoy live music, vendors, train rides, and activities all day. Learn more at facebook.com/NC Peach Festival. At 5 o'clock, hop on the Sandhills Trolley for a Peachy Keen Sips Cruise. Take a journey to several of the area's breweries and bars and taste their special peach concoctions. Learn more and purchase tickets at sandhillstrolley.com. On Sunday at 6, come cheer on the Sandhills Bogeys. The first 100 people get a free scoop of peach ice cream from Stellar Scoops. And if a player hits a home run off the Peach Week sign, each attendee gets a coupon for a free popcorn sponsored by Carolina Cinemas. Purchase tickets at sandhillsbogeys.com. We hope you'll join us for Peach Week in the Sandhills. For more info and events, go to homeofgolf.com/peachweek.